back to the video, and I'm gonna be playing Mischief again. Okay, so we got tag, lava, and horror, and this. Let's do lava. This is just like the lava rising. Let me turn them.
Oh my god. Alright, okay,
Bro, where's the lava? Yo, what's up?
When is it gonna turn dark?
What's sussy?
For the horror. Wait, what? It's gonna turn dark?
No, it won't turn dark.
Yeah, that's what the horror does. Yeah, oh yeah.
Wait, no, it's slippery, I forgot. Yeah. Because
I'm gonna Lucia run out the map.
wherever you look, you're going.
No, I can't very easily. Hey guys! You're safe in slides,
I'm on top of stuff.
And
Let's go. Wait, can you get mods in this game?
Yes, you can.
Oh, you can get mods.
Tag, right?
Yo, blue monkey.
This is tag. Everybody's blue.
No, this blue monkey.
I'm green.
Wait.
I'm green. What the hell?
Did you know you could change your color? Did you know you could?
I'm on horror. What the fuck?
Look at this.
What? There's no horror.
I failed.
Oh,
I
wait,
failed.
it's a horror thing! I thought we were playing
I failed. I did it. I made it.
The drift doesn't work now.
Please stop.
What? A white monkey. Somebody died to the horror thing. It's right in front of me.
Wait, what do you mean horror thing?
Ramp. It's freaking right. It's right there. Right. It's right there on the ramp. Hey guys, where are the monkeys? I don't see them. The horror.
No, we're not in horror.
This isn't horror. You guys are in a public server.
Hey, you want to play lava? Guys, want to play lava? Put in the code. Put in the code WolfVR for lava. Okay, let's do lava. Okay. Lava is gonna be rising. Let me get people to join. Do you guys want to do lava game mode? Does anyone want to do lava game mode?
What is lava game mode? Lightsabers!
Who wants to do forest lava?
What's? Oh, it's forest lava. All right.
Okay, put in the code WolfVR. Put in the code WolfVR on lava.
WolfVR.
Easy to warn.
WolfVR. Lightsaber. What's the code, bro?
Oh yeah, there's a mirror.
What's the code?
The code is WolfVR. The code is WolfVR. It's WolfVR. My name. Okay.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay.
WolfVR. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna join it. So you gotta leave first. Okay.
I gotta leave.
Ready?
First.
I'll see you in the code. I think there's gotta be more than one player. I think they're joining. It's so hard to scale, bro. It's just like the jumping physics. It's just so bad. Yo, someone's here. Let's go. No. Oh, shoot. The lava is rising. The lava's rising. The lava's rising.
Wait.
The lava is rising.
Oh god, I'm dead.
Guys, the lava's rising.
What happened?
No.
I'm so died.
I gotta get on top of the map quickly. Oh, lightsaber. No lightsaber. Okay. You gotta pull down like.
We're gonna get you. I don't like basements.
No, don't tag me. Don't tag me, please. Don't.
Huh?
Yo, no. I'm at the highest part of the map. Almost. At the highest part. Oh, the lava's going down, yes. No, my lightsaber. No. Oh, whatever, forget it. Are you a lava monkey? Oh, he is a lava monkey. Stay away from me.
Oh, I'm gonna go on normal monkey now. Run! Okay, wait. I'm gonna check
When's the lava gonna come? I do this in a...
Run! Quickly climb up.
It's super easy to wall run. Where's the lava? Oh, there's lava. Oh gosh. No. No. If I fall, I'm gonna sink in the lava.
I gotta get to the highest point. Bro, you're stuck down there. You don't need a lightsaber.
I made it on top of the map. We did it. Me on top of here. Come
Get
on.
on top of the map. Why do you want a lightsaber so bad?
Bro, no,
Lightsabers
no,
are
no, the beach ball.
stupid.
No, the beach ball.
Oh! No,
What is
I
this
don't
supposed
care.
to be? What is this supposed to be?
It's lava.
What is this supposed to be?
No.
Was that just a secret?
Oh my God, the lava's going down. Why is the lava going down?
Because
Justin Bieber.
it's his max spot.
Oh shoot, it's coming up now.
Oh, it's coming up. It's coming up. Should we jump down there head first?
We should
Wait,
jump-
not yet.
jump
Wait
in the
until it's like
lava
a
head first.
huge flood. Wait until it's a huge flood. The water actually
Probably
makes it gravity.
immortal.
When is the lava gonna come? Let's just.
Bro,
Oh, there it is.
I heard
Lava.
if you jump into lava, bro.
Lava's coming up.
Hey, come here.
What?
Come up here. Come here. I heard if you jump into the lava, you get free quarters and
Really?
bananas.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I lied. I don't have my quarter on me right now. I'm sorry.
How dare you?
How
I'm a noob.
do you get up there?
You want a wall run up here?
You know, I'm not up there no more. I'm actually somewhere else.
I'm actually recording right now. Oh my God. I heard
How
that
do you get
can
up there?
It's like this.
Bro, there's a flying lightsaber.
No, you want to do this. Come on. And then start pinch climbing. Oh God. Start
There's a
pinch
tank
climbing.
flying light. Ah!
Where's the last person that's not?
Come
Oh.
on, quickly, get up, get up.
I'm on top of the
Lava
map
is
already.
rising.
Come on. No, you want to pinch climb up with it. No, do the double walls first. Come on, do this. But what? Oh my God. Oh shoot, there's lava. Lava.
Oh. Please, no, help me.
Oh, I made it. The lava cannot go higher than this. I heard if I jump, I won't die.
you.
Oh, no! You're tagged. Here,
all
come on,
died.
like this. Like this. Like
Bro,
this.
Bro, when do you all want to play some horror?
The horror is so hard.
I know, it's so scary. Can you even
And then you want to start the pinch climb.
Can you
Wait, you
even
guys wanna do
escape
horror?
Yeah, you can have to escape horror. It's just.
Do you guys want
really
to do horror?
You can actually escape horror. Except for
I
you
know.
have to be really skilled.
Wait, but do you guys want to do horror?
Woo! Okay. What's the code for horror?
It's the same thing. When you just add a 1.
Just pick horror.
Yeah,
just
add a
pick
1
the-
there. Add a 1. Add a 1.
Add a 1 to Wolf VR.
Add a 1 to the code, yeah. And put it on 4.
So Wolf
Add a 1.
VR 1.
It's dark. It's dark. It's dark. It's scary. Where are they at? Guys, help me, please. It's scary.
Turn green. Turn green.
Why green?
so we can all identify each other.
See each other better, okay?
Cause, yeah, so it's
Look,
much
guys, I
easier.
found a way to get on top without getting killed. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on.
Come on, we gotta
Come
get
here.
to the top of the map. That's our only goal.
Ah. Ah. Oh gosh.
Woo, I made it.
The monkeys are down there. The red monkey.
Oh, shoot,
God,
the
no.
monkey can actually get up here. I forgot the monkey
know, it's
can climb
scary.
up there. No, the monkey can climb up there.
I
Evil
know,
monkey
he's up here.
can.
There's a monkey up here, you know?
An evil one?
It's an evil monkey.
Hi guys, I'm safe.
How are you?
No, you're
Secret
not.
tunnel. Come to me, I'm scared, mommy. No, don't go in there. Don't. Come on. No.
What's
No.
carnival?
No. Yes, you got it. The carnival is so bad.
Bro, do y'all want to try to make it to
You
carnival?
want to do it like this, bro? Ugh, you want to?
Guys,
Yeah, jump on top of me.
It to
It's
carnival?
easy.
Guys, we gotta try to make it to carnival. That's our only goal.
Yeah, that's our goal is to make it to the carnival. Come on, let's go.
Where are you guys? Wait for me.
At the top of the
guys,
mountain.
come back to me. Come back to me. I'm scared.
I'm scared, bro.
Go to this.
I found a lightsaber.
Can you kill him with the lightsaber?
I found a lightsaber. Where'd the lightsaber go? Why is the lightsaber all the way over here?
I think
Guys,
he's dead.
come on, come to my lightsaber. You see it?
I'm still alive. Ah! Please let me up. Please let me up.
Guys, come on. Our goal is to make it to carnival. Come on. Here, I'll throw the
Where's
stick.
carnival?
Oh, that went far.
Guys, where are you?
Here.
Guys,
No, I
cannot
bet there's
see at
I
all.
bet there's a red
I'm
monkey
in
in
the
here.
slide.
Yes, you guys, you see me? My name.
Come on, I see. Where are you?
Come on, you see me?
I'm in the slide.
Come on. Let's
You
go.
think I can jump to the wall?
Can you
Come on,
get
let's
on
go.
the top
Let's
of
go.
the mountain? Where
There might be a
Spawn
monkey
is?
Can I
in here.
see the wall? Can I see
There
the
could
wall?
be a monkey in here. Get a lightsaber. Wait, no. Let's just go. Stay in the rocks, though. Stay in the
Bro,
rocks.
you're dead. Just stand
need
on the
help.
wall.
Oh gosh, no, stay. No, got it. I got it. Jesus, that scared me. Come on,
You're a
let's go.
monkey? You're a monkey?
No, 'cause I don't see
Where
one.
are you guys?
We are in the cave.
Wait, there's no
I
carnival.
don't know where you guys are.
There is.
There's
Come
a
on,
monkey
come
in
on.
here? Is there a monkey in here?
No, there's no monkey. No monkey in
Sure,
there.
where are you? Where are you?
Can you guys come back? Can you come back?
No, come to
back to me.
carnival.
There's a
I'm on top of it. You see me? Oh, hello. You see me? Oh no,
Get up there.
come on. You see me? Wait, we got a pinch climb up there.
Is there a monkey in here?
No monkey. Good.
How did you make it up here?
I'm on a pinch line. I'm on my boundary. It's a lightsaber.
I'm just
Oh,
gonna
no.
climb the stairs.
That's a sign.
What? What's a sign?
Look it, I'm climbing.
You see me climb?
Are there monkeys in here?
Dude, where are you?
I'm on top of the Ferris wheel.
Is there any monsters?
No, I don't see any monsters.
Come
I
back
think
to
there's
me.
only monsters in the original. Oh gosh, no, I'm gonna fall out.
Come to me.
I'm stuck.
Come
No,
to
I'm
me.
stuck.
Can you come to me?
I'm stuck. No, I'm stuck, bro. If you go in the... I'm shaking. I'm running my life.
Oh shit, there's a monster in carnival. There's a monster in carnival.
Bro, I'm stuck. Okay, that's gonna be the end of the video. Horror is cool.